Hi everyone, and welcome back to my journey. It was such a heartfelt week for me, with all the beautiful messages that I've received, wishing me well and supporting me on my journey. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. As you can see, me and Chicky are inside the caravan with the walls that I've just finished painting. Although this week started with a beautiful, peaceful sunrise for me and Chicky, and warthogs on the bowling green, there's been a few delays with my caravan and some unexpected challenges. But let's get into episode 8. Some mornings, life gently reminds me to slow down and just breathe. Coffee with Chicky has become part of my healing process. A quiet moment before the rest of the day begins. After my peaceful start, it is time for some fun. A trip to the St Lucia Bowling Club with my very good friend Tina. Now, bowls at St Lucia is never boring. Just as I sent my bowl rolling, this little troublemaker appeared. A warthog decided he wanted to join the game. He tried to intercept my bowl, and of course, the players had to chase him off the green. Only in St Lucia do we get warthogs and monkeys as uninvited guests. Me and Chicky loaded the caravan mattresses into the car. Well, Chicky supervised while I struggled to get the mattresses into the car. Not everything went accordingly to plan this week. I've been looking for someone to spray paint the outside of my caravan. But I completely forgot that most companies close on the 15th of December. So I will not be able to spray paint my caravan on the outside this year, and it will have to wait for January, which delay my plans by a month. So although everybody is waiting for me to start traveling in January, I won't be able to. Life is full of challenges. It has its own pace, and I must learn to go with it. Thank you again for joining me on this journey, and until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep smiling. You too.